Have you ever deleted an important WhatsApp message and wished you could get it back, even if you didn't have a backup? A lot of videos online claim there's a secret trick, but many of them don't tell you the full story. In this video, we're going to look at 3 methods that people commonly use to try to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. More importantly, I'll explain what actually works, what doesn't, and what risks you should know before trying anything. Make sure you watch until the end, because one of these methods could also put your existing data at risk if you're not careful. Let's get started. Method 1. Local WhatsApp files. The first method involves checking your phone's local storage. Some Android devices store WhatsApp data inside internal storage and database folders. That's why many people believe renaming or restoring these files can bring deleted messages back. However, this only works in specific situations where local database files still exist and haven't been overwritten. If those files are missing or replaced by newer data, recovering deleted chats becomes much more difficult. So while this method is often mentioned online, it is not a guaranteed solution. Method 2. Using existing database copies. Another commonly suggested approach is copying or restoring existing database files stored on the device. The idea is that an older database might still contain conversations that were deleted recently. But again, success depends entirely on whether those files are still available and intact. If the data has already been overwritten or removed, simply copying folders will not magically restore deleted messages. This is why results vary from one device to another. Method 3. Google Drive Backup. The third method involves your Google Drive backup. If you already created a backup before the messages were deleted, reinstalling WhatsApp and restoring that backup may recover older chats. However, there is an important catch. If the backup itself was created after the messages were deleted, those messages will not be included. Also, reinstalling WhatsApp without understanding how backups work may cause you to lose newer chats that haven't been backed up yet. So it's important to know exactly what backup you're restoring. If there is no local database containing the messages and no backup created before deletion, there is currently no official WhatsApp feature that can reliably recover permanently deleted chats. Many websites and videos promise instant recovery, but those claims often don't apply to every situation. That's why it's important to be cautious before trying any method that asks you to delete files or reinstall the app. The best way to protect your WhatsApp messages is to enable regular backups before you ever need them. If you're trying to recover deleted chats, understand that success depends on whether usable backup data already exists. I hope this video helped explain what actually works and what doesn't. If you found it useful, please like the video, subscribe for more TechGetter Official, and I'll see you in the next one.